Imagine walking outside, picking a handful of crisp green leaves, and making the freshest salad ever. You don't need a big garden, fancy tools, or years of experience. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables to grow at home, even if you've never planted a seed before. You can do it on a balcony, a windowsill, or a small patch in your backyard. Growing lettuce is quick and simple. It's perfect for people who want fast results. You don't have to wait months to see your hard work pay off. In just a few weeks, you'll be enjoying your own healthy, homegrown greens. Plus, lettuce doesn't demand much space, so anyone can join in the fun. Worried about making mistakes? Don't be. Lettuce is forgiving. If you forget to water it once, it's not the end of the world. If you crowd the seeds a little, you can still eat the baby leaves. You'll learn as you grow, one salad at a time. So, whether you have a big yard or just a sunny windowsill, lettuce will grow for you. Let's dig in and see how to get started. Lettuce is a great choice for beginners for many reasons. First, it grows fast. Some types are ready to pick in as little as 30 days. That means you get to see quick progress, which is super motivating. Fast growth also means you can try again soon if your first attempt doesn't go perfectly. Second, lettuce doesn't need much space. You can plant it in small containers, long window boxes, or garden beds. This makes it perfect for people living in apartments or for anyone with limited outdoor space. You don't need a big backyard to grow a big salad. Another reason lettuce is awesome is that it's very low maintenance. It doesn't need pruning, special feeding, or a lot of fuss. Just keep the soil moist and give it a little sun. After that, lettuce mostly takes care of itself. Finally, lettuce is nutritious. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, and homegrown leaves are fresher and tastier than anything you can buy. So, if you want to start gardening and eat healthier, lettuce is the perfect crop for you. Lettuce comes in many shapes, colors, and flavors. But don't worry, you don't need to know them all to get started. The main types you'll see are leaf lettuce, romaine, butterhead, and crisphead, like iceberg. Each has its own look and taste. Leaf lettuce is the easiest for beginners. It grows quickly and doesn't need to form a head. You can start picking outer leaves in a few weeks, and the plant will keep growing. Popular leaf lettuces include green salad bowl and red sales. Romaine, or cos lettuce, grows upright with crunchy leaves. It's also beginner-friendly and makes great Caesar salads. Butterhead lettuce has soft, tender leaves and forms loose heads. Buttercrunch is a favorite for its sweet flavor. Crisphead lettuce, lichen traum like, chop buarn, underminser underberry, forms tight, round heads. It takes longer to grow and can be a bit trickier, so it's best for gardeners with some experience. For your first try, stick with leaf lettuce or romaine for the best results. Lettuce grows best in cool weather. It doesn't like too much heat. The best times to plant are in early spring and late summer. If you live in a mild climate, you can even grow lettuce almost all year round. In very hot places, grow lettuce in fall, winter, and early spring. You can start with seeds indoors or plant them directly outside. For most people, sow seeds as soon as the soil can be worked in spring. If it's already hot, wait until late summer or early fall. Lettuce seeds can germinate in cool soil down to about 4 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want a steady supply, plant a new batch of seeds every 2 weeks. This is called succession planting, and it keeps the harvest coming for months. Don't worry, this is easier than it sounds, and we'll cover it in more detail later. No matter where you live, try to avoid growing lettuce in the hottest part of summer. High temperatures can make it bitter or cause it to bolt, which just means it goes to seed too soon. Lettuce loves light, but it doesn't want to get roasted. It grows best with about 4 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. Morning sun and afternoon shade is perfect, especially in warmer areas. Too much hot sun can make the leaves wilt or taste bitter. If you're growing lettuce indoors, just put the pots on a sunny windowsill. South or east-facing windows give the best light. Outside, pick a spot that gets gentle sunshine, but is protected from those harsh afternoon rays. You can use a shade cloth or plant lettuce near taller veggies for some relief. Good airflow is important too. Avoid cramped corners where the air is still. This helps prevent diseases and keeps your plants healthy. If you're growing in containers, make sure each pot has drainage holes and is not crowded by other plants. Remember, lettuce doesn't like to be too hot or too cold. If a frost is coming, cover your plants at night. And in very hot weather, move pots to a cooler spot or add some extra shade. So, Lettuce really likes loose, fluffy soil. Hard, compact dirt just makes it tough for those roots to spread out and grow. Before planting, you'll want to use a trowel or a fork to loosen the soil down to about 15 centimeters, or around 6 inches. Make sure to remove any rocks and break up those big clumps as you go. Good drainage is super important too. If water just sits on top of the soil, lettuce roots can actually rot. Mixing in some compost or old manure helps with both drainage and nutrients. If you're growing in pots, definitely use a high-quality potting mix. Try to avoid garden soil in containers, since it can be way too heavy. Lettuce likes soil that's a little bit rich but not too strong. Just add a handful of compost to each planting spot. You can also sprinkle a slow-release organic fertilizer before you plant. Oh, and avoid soil that's really sandy or heavy with clay. Before planting, check that your soil is just moist, not soggy. If you squeeze a handful and it crumbles, you're good to go. But if it sticks together or feels wet, let it dry out a bit before sowing your seeds. Planting lettuce seeds is actually pretty simple. Just use your finger to make a shallow groove about ½ centimeter deep, or about ¼ inch. Gently sprinkle the seeds along the groove. For leaf lettuce, space the seeds about 2½ centimeters, or 1 inch, apart. If you're planting romaine or butterhead, leave about 15 centimeters, or 6 inches, between each seed. After sowing, gently cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil, and pat the surface lightly. Lettuce seeds actually need light to germinate, so don't bury them too deep. Water gently with a spray bottle or a watering can with a fine rose, so you don't wash the seeds away. As the seedlings grow, thin them out if they're crowded. For leaf lettuce, leave 10 to 15 centimeters, about 4 to 6 inches, between plants. For head types, space them 20 to 25 centimeters, or 8 to 10 inches apart. And hey, you can eat the thinnings as baby greens. If you're starting seeds indoors in trays, use the same spacing. When the seedlings have 2 or 3 true leaves, move them outdoors or into bigger pots. Just be gentle, lettuce roots are pretty delicate. Lettuce needs steady moisture, but it really hates soggy soil. The trick is to keep the soil damp, not wet. Just stick your finger into the soil up to your first knuckle. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still damp, just wait another day. Water in the morning so the leaves dry before night falls. Deep watering is better than frequent shallow sprinkles. Aim for about 2½ centimeters, or 1 inch of water each week, maybe a bit more if it's super hot or windy. Use a watering can with a gentle rose or a soaker hose to avoid splashing the leaves. Fertilize lightly every 2 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble plant food. Fish emulsion or compost tea are great organic choices. Don't overfeed though. Too much fertilizer can make lettuce leaves bitter and attract pests. Keep an eye out for slugs, snails, and aphids. Check under the leaves often. Hand-pick pests or use gentle organic sprays if you need to. When it gets hot, protect your lettuce with shade cloth, or just move your containers to a cooler spot. Lettuce is ready to harvest sooner than you might think. For leaf types, you can start picking the outer leaves when they're big enough to eat, about 10 centimeters, or 4 inches, long. Always leave the center of the plant so it keeps growing. For head lettuce, wait until the heads feel firm and full before cutting. Use clean scissors or a sharp knife to harvest. Pick your lettuce in the morning when it's crisp and cool. If you harvest carefully, a lot of lettuce types will regrow for a second or even a third pick. That's what's called cut and come again. Want salad all season? Try succession planting. Every 2 weeks, sow a few new seeds. That way, you'll always have young plants ready to harvest as the older ones finish up. It's really easy and it means you'll never run out of fresh greens. So don't wait, grab a packet of seeds and give it a try. Growing lettuce is fun, tasty, and honestly, it's a great way to start your gardening journey. You'll be amazed at what you can grow right at home.